So it's very windy today, and if you swing over there, you can see the flag all blown out. And so usually people don't play when it's windy, but it's actually a lot of fun. And you can do this kind of part. It will make you a better tosser. You have to throw straight though. I'll take more risk now that I know a little bit how to throw, and throw stronger. And hopefully it doesn't go over your head. You have to keep it kind of almost level if it's very strong wind. So much fun. One more time. Really strong. Oh. Lots of fun. Throw it gentle first. Needs a good spin though. Start gentle. Thank you.